Is recording here. Acha. So remember before, like, पिछले lockdown में when I had the huge beard, I'm gonna do huge. I had the big beard. So
big beard.
yeah. A beard ending with a double D. खैर, तो उसके बाद when I went to get trimmed, तो उसने माही ने छोटी छोटी की, मैंने तस्वीर दिखाई थी लाइक सखेल की शादी के टाइम पे जो दाढ़ी थी ना, वो that was a good look. मैंने कहा कुछ इसके करीब बट थोड़ी लंबी. तो he got up till here, but then he's like ये jaw line के नीचे ना there's like a divot and he just didn't know what to do about it. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा fuck it, कटा दो. तो फिर वो बिल्कुल ही छोटी हो गई. That's when I had came with a बिल्कुल ही छोटी दाढ़ी. मैंने research की and बहुत से fellow men's
Bro, you could keep a choti dadi,
Yeah, I don't want to have a too big dadi because my head is enormous.
Oh yeah, me too, bro. Me too.
My head is enormous and हूँ मैं खुद इतना बड़ा नहीं, तो वैसे ही बॉबल हेड थोड़ी वाइब्स आती हैं. फिर वो दाढ़ी भी इतनी लंबी हो जाए तो रिवर्स ट्रोल डॉल होती थी ना जिसके बाल Smurf. So the only solution is to straighten it after the fact. Yeah.
यार वो Instagram पे ads नहीं आते with the straightener वाली comb?
Yeah, heat comb. Yeah.
Heat comb.
Yeah, that's
Why
the
don't
thing.
you use that?
I have a blow dryer. तो उसके साथ you just the key is कि you comb heat करके ना ऊपर की तरफ सारे.
Yeah.
और फिर जब सीधे करो तो then it all just comes सीधा नीचे.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You can try to, but वैसे normally when you're combing, if you comb it अंदर की तरफ या ऐसे ज़्यादा करो, so then it starts curling outwards, which is खैर अभी तो mask की वजह से भी हुआ है. Anyway, welcome to episode 89. After this important discussion, I'm sitting.
No, but adding to the discussion and talking about hair, यार,
बाल जा रहे हैं.
patch.
अच्छा तुम्हारे पीछे, ये मेरे तो खैर आगे से काफी फेमसली जा रहे हैं. कोई नहीं
bro, मतलब अच्छा, so whenever I ask पलवशा के यार बहुत ज्यादा पीछे से कम हो गए. नहीं बिल्कुल सही है. So अभी
is it because she's like shorter than you और तुम्हारे टिन नजर नहीं आती? मुझे तो सही लग रहा है.
अभी we were at this big ass Mendi that we will talk about during the episode. So we thought we'll take a social media person with us, who will keep making stories. So जो तुम stories देख रहे थे, that was being made by somebody else. So
अच्छा, I thought you meant like someone famous हमारे साथ आ जाए. इरफान जुनेजो हमारे साथ. अच्छा.
तो उसमें जिस भी स्टोरी में like मुझे तुम पीछे से देख रहे हो, I'm taking photos, like a clear patch on my fucking head.
Oh no.
I'm like, oh shit man, उम्र आ ही गई finally. So
bro, fucking whenever R36 37 जो भी होगा ना टर्की के अंदर, उसमें हम दोनों हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करा रहे होंगे.
100% bro.
But yeah.
So एक N95 मास्क इधर भी लगा लो. Shalom.
सुकरक चुके हैं नौजवान महंगाई में इस बार सकल ले हमारे पिलोर पर मांगा है पंछी का
सलाम तो कभी किया नहीं. ये देखिए हिब्रू लिखी हुई है मेरी शर्ट पे. कोई मान लेगा. Somebody will believe. But yeah, so episode 89, last Chalan Crew episode.
Oh, by the way, Ali.
Oh, very nice, iconic, but kafi.
What is it?
This is the D brand case and skin for MKBHD. Nice,
bro. Nice. I got a new phone too.
What do you mean? Bakwas kar raha hai.
I got a OnePlus 5T.
Oh.
Like नया प्रोटेक्टर.
Oh, अच्छा.
It feels like a new phone, bro.
Yeah,
It's,
yeah. Case बदल लो, screen protector बदल लो. It feels like very
yeah.
new. Also, case उतारो तो it's like, oh shit, there's so much dead skin inside the phone. फेंक दो था.
Facial grow.
Yeah, phone का facial. I think I don't know if Nader is coming. Oh, what is Zohar mentioning back in Dublin? Relieve you guys. अच्छा ठीक है. खैर, I just saw Wonder Woman 1984. यहाँ cinemas mostly band hai, the big chains, but some of them are open and very spacious, spaced out seating. और मैं इतने दिन बाद गया हूँ सिनेमा, as you can imagine, like March से लेके अब तक. Maybe no, बीच में I went to see Tenet. फिर उसके बाद वो वाला रेगुलर सिनेमा बंद हो गया एंड मैं तो पागल हो गया ना. मतलब they had like popcorn. I was like, popcorn? Yeah, I'll get खाना foreign right after lunch. I got like a fuck off popcorn, 2 drinks, chocolate. And I was like, and seat भी हमारी काफी आगे थी. I was like, नहीं सही है bro, सही है, ऐसा स्क्रीन होना चाहिए यार. I felt so good. I was like, यार इतना बड़ा स्क्रीन होना चाहिए घर पे.
Yeah, no, seriously, I miss cinemas. I haven't been in a year now, I think. Wow.
Yeah.
Cinemas was closed in Pakistan?
हाँ, they like Lahore में तो they're closed.
Weird. Out of all the things, cinema बंद कर दिया.
शादियों में लोग एक दूसरे के मुंह के अंदर थूक रहे हैं, लेकिन सिनेमा खुला है.
देखो, सिनेमा में 1000 लोग नहीं आ सकते ना एक हॉल में, इसलिए they want 1000 people एक साथ, ताकि you know
aim high.
Yeah.
इधर भी they have the cinemas open, but like खैर हमारी location is also sort of on the edge of the city, but बहुत कम लोग थे. Like पूरे सिनेमा में शायद 20-30 लोग होंगे with the spacing.
Is it the same thing in your? Okay, वहाँ if you're a group of 4, अलग-अलग बैठो, you can only sit 2 and साथ-साथ.
नहीं, हम 3 थे, हम 3 साथ बैठे हुए थे.
You
but
can? Oh, okay.
Yeah, but with another party, you have to separate like 2 or 3 seats. Every other row is blocked out. इस तरह का.
That you have to, you can only be 2 in a bunch.
I ain't never seen. अच्छा, okay, all right. खैर, Wonder Woman was a decent movie. As always, Chris Pine ने सारी acting Chris Pine ने की. Kristen Wiig is in the movie. As you've seen in the trailer, she becomes a villain. Until that transformation, she is exactly Kristen Wiig from SNL, like 100% same character from SNL. Gal Gadot still does not know how to act.
Misha Shafiq.
What? No, please.
What?
I don't know.
Prince
kind of reminds me of her. Yeah.
Pedro Pascal is one of the main. बहुत acting.
Pedro Pascal की बात ही नहीं करो यार. बात ही नहीं करो Pedro Pascal की.
Yeah.
Acute आंसू थे, पानी थे, liquid थे. Oh my god.
You know, there's the map of all the dialects of Punjabi, and then उसके बाहर ना एक सरखेल है. But yeah. Mandalorian also ended yesterday. Rizwan, you haven't seen it, and you probably won't. तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Spoil कर लेते हैं हम. I thought it was a good episode. उसमें भी बेचारी क्या नाम है इसका? लड़की का?
Yeah.
मैं वाली जो है, नाम भूल गया उसका.
The buff कुत्ती.
Yeah. She's so buff.
Yeah, she's so buff.
She's so big. इससे बड़ी है.
Yeah.
And fuck, I forgot her name. Cara Dune, anyways. Her
Yeah, Cara Dune. Yeah.
बिल्कुल एक्टिंग नहीं आती है उस बेचारी को भी. और
बस वो sultry looks देनी होती हैं वो.
Ali Zafar looks.
and like she's everyone else around her acts better और उस बेचारी की एक्टिंग और shit लगती है.
अच्छा, but have you noticed like जो Cara Dune की और वो जो क्या नाम है यार, the lady Fennec Shand or something. Their dialogue is mostly
yeah. एक तो जब से boys, have you seen the boys का season 2 is on?
Yeah.
तो उसमें वो वाला scene है ना, girls get it done. Feminism.
Yeah.
Everything I see on TV now is girls get it done. Mandalorian की season finale में भी girls get it done. 4 बंदियां कोट लगा रही हैं सबकी. They're doing the nods that Sarkhel just spoke about.
मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है ये सब. ये हमारे कल्चर के खिलाफ
की जगह घर पे है.
मैंने इसलिए इसलिए मैंने पहली वंडर वुमन भी नहीं देखी, you know.
हाँ
इसीलिए इस वजह से
but it was nice. Wonder Woman, they had like a lot of 80s stuff or because it's set in the 80s.
Yeah,
and there's a post-credit scene. If anyone is going to see, there's a post-credit scene, mid-credit scene, or
क्या होता है occupation?
कुछ होता है चक्कर. In the movie, there is something about थोड़ी reference to like
यार उसी का लिंक भेज दो मुझे.
Post-credit scene का.
Post-credit.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with the story. तो रिजवान को और कम समझा नहीं है.
यार वैसे should we explain? Sorry यार मुझे पता नहीं weird सी ये feeling आई थी कि maybe we should explain our inside jokes sometimes because I'm sure like people are like why are these guys laughing? Maybe we should explain it.
Yeah. This is a retrospective episode.
हमारे कुछ थोड़े से बहुत लॉयल लिसनर्स हैं, ओके?
रमीज
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
Why he watches इतनी जोर से
जो हमें अच्छी तरह जानते हैं अब, और जो लाइक बाहर मुझे पहचानना शुरू हो गए फॉर सम रीजन, आई डोंट नो, लाइक ना मुझे इंस्टा से जानते हैं ना ट्विटर से.
मैं इतनी मेहनत करता हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट. Nobody gives a shit.
Yeah, but the strange part is
जब
like,
लेने का टाइम आता है ना तो फिर अली आ जाता है.
Oh, now no more art. Mrs. will not make. कुत्ते के बच्चे सारे.
bro, 7 out of these 10 people have like approached me. They all call it TRP. Why?
Yeah. We have to teach the nation. हम सिखाएंगे तो बेहतर होंगे. TRP pod. उनका we will buy that place, and that will because the TPR roles हम बेचेंगे उधर.
Yes.
Yeah. But the post-credit scene wala joke is there was one movie, I forget which movie. Sarkhel, which movie was this about?
Infinity War.
Yeah, one of the events, Infinity War. अब रिजवान पाकिस्तान में ऑब्वियसली फिल्म का मिलना मुश्किल है, कैसे जाएं, टिकट्स नहीं मिल रहे, ये वो. मैं और सरखेल फॉरेन में, तो हम इट्स इजियर फॉर अस, हमने जाके देख लिया. एक्साइटमेंट, ओ भाई देख लो रिजवान, ओ माय गॉड. रिजवान कह रहा है मैं कैम प्रिंट पे देख लूंगा, कुछ भी कर. Somehow what he watches first is the post-credit scene of the movie. It's like, हाँ bro, मैं post-credit scene देख ली, मैं पूरी फिल्म नहीं देखी. We're like, what? I don't even know how would you, even if I tried to do this, I don't know how.
You know how books के पीछे summary लिखी होती है ना? Rizwan treats the post-credit scene as a summary.
Yeah, I think what happened was कि instead of downloading a torrent, मुझे उसका कोई stream मिला और वो पता नहीं लोड नहीं हो रहा था, और मैं आगे करता गया और वो end में लोड हो गया. I was like, fuck it, यहीं से देख लेते हैं.
Last 30 seconds समझ आ जाएगा. How hard can it be, motherfucker? What happens in Infinity Wars का post-credit scene? He goes away. देख लो, चलो, we'll find out. But anyway,
isn't it वो scene Samuel L. Jackson gets a page?
No, yeah, it's the Captain Marvel thing, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's the Captain Marvel thing. बिल्कुल समझ. वो तो Captain Marvel आई भी नहीं थी शायद.
ये गायब क्यों हो गया?
Helicopter. Okay, all right. Anyway, Rizwan, we can talk about the wedding you went to, because abhi I was putting some clips apart for the TPR clips wala channel. Please go find it. I'll link it below if I remember. Where I'm putting clips from our episodes. And there was the thing where you talked about Juta Chupai, and badi Juta Chupai dekhi hain, ek pe tum the, offend ho gaye log, ye wo.
Yeah.
Usse mujhe yaad aaya ki zara it would be good if you talked about this insane wedding that you were living in for the past 5 days or something. Are you home now?
Yeah, I am home now. I'm in Lahore. Yeah.
Okay.
Symptoms बताओ मुझे तुम अपने पहले.
Bro, डर यही लग रहा है कि symptoms आ ही ना जाएं बहुत जल्द, because it was insane.
Like imagine if you get them while you go to Mark Brothers' wedding, you asshole.
Oh fuck. Well, matlab, it's your fault for having a wedding. Matlab,
Yeah.
Honestly, I've tried my best. I've been the last thing was, I mean, I'm stuck. I can't come. I'm sure they're probably grateful that I'm not coming because मैं वहाँ जाके तो control करता
नौसत
तो मैं
फैलानी थी
होता.
आपने.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, matlab, imagine a place that has seating for 100 people and 500 people show up. And
Indulgence.
shout out to Indulgence in Dubai.
Shout out.
हमारा काफी पुराना hangout.
Very good.
Good job.
I always remember their garlic mushroom pizza. That was
Chicken chutney pizza.
What? I've never had that.
Yeah.
That's what we are having. We used to have in recent times.
Acha. Okay. Acha, phir?
So, khair, the wedding had very interesting events planned like throughout the week. So there was like a game night. Usko ek alag sa naam diya hua tha. It had food stalls around. It was planned really well actually. Or this second last day of the wedding was the mehndi. Or ispe they had been practicing for like 2-3 months. A performance pura ek 45 minutes ka performance. So like a theater.
Like a play.
Just like like a play, like a musical play. Jisme wo matlab they weren't saying anything on mics. It was just wo recorded voiceovers and they were acting it out and dancing. Or it was insane. I've never seen anything like that. Hamare 5 saal. It was so that's what it was. It was the couple's love story ka 45 minutes ka play.
And it was good.
Oh, it was really good. It was the best thing we've seen in our 5 years of weddings. Matlab, honestly. मतलब मेहमानों के थोड़े mixed reviews मुझे कानों में सुनाई दे रहे थे while I was shooting.
लोगों को तो कहना होता है ये इसकी क्या जरूरत थी? इसकी एक्टिंग ही नहीं आती इसको तो.
नहीं, that's exactly what was happening. ये मेहंदी है कि अवार्ड शो में बुला लिया. Well, तुम चले जाओ ना, क्यों आए हो? मतलब it's okay. उन्होंने वैसे ही जहाँ एक को बुलाया लोग अपने दोस्तों को ला रहे थे साथ like +3 ला रहे थे. So it was crazy but a lot of fun. और बस मुझे डर लग रहा है कि कुछ लग ना गया हो वहां से क्योंकि यार
मास्क थे
bro, double masks.
No, I mean you guys though that's fine, but were people?
No one else. I didn't see anyone else wearing it in the.
No. I saw one person wearing a black
there was
mask.
one. Yes, exactly. Yeah. And
that's the guy with the symptoms.
Like some sneaky Dick Dastardly kind of.
He's coughing.
Cancel
करे इसको. गोली.
वो बंदा जो स्टोरी में नजर आया था with the mask, we started getting messages के oh finally a mask, oh that's one guy wearing mask. So there was just one guy probably.
Go shake his hand.
The mask. पता नहीं करके आओ. तो यार it like I don't think we've ever been to a more crowded event. It was Hannah, have we? That was still not this crowded.
They looked like they had like fuck off money.
They had like fuck your mom money ना मतलब कि यार तुम्हें बेच देंगे हम पैन.
खरीद isn't it usually? Don't you buy things?
खुद को बेच देंगे.
Yeah, I have so much money. I might as well sell this.
All right.
Oh, it was insane. Because at the end of the night, after the play was done and everything, so they had a few performances lined up. और हमें बस बताया गया था Coke Studio के कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं. I was like, Coke Studio is a very big spectrum. Like,
87
परवीन आ जाए यहाँ पे. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know. और कौन है Coke Studio पे? Well, I don't know.
रोएल है.
I don't remember.
रोएल आया था. मिक्सर चला रहा है.
या उनका उनका जो बेस प्लेयर है वो जो क्रॉस लाइक बैठता है.
Yeah, what do I forget his name? Yeah, but
that's the guy.
बेचारा.
So he plays bass for Ali Azmat ना? क्या नाम है उसका?
Yes, I forget his name. but yeah.
तो हाँ, nobody cares about Bezos. अच्छा, तो Hannah Ali. अच्छा, तो पहले I don't remember his name. वो जो यार
Mannu.
हाँ,
I think his name is Mannu.
अख्तर चन्ना.
No, Mannu.
bro,
Fucking अब
वो जो यार
बात नहीं होगी अब आगे.
वो जो ड्रेसेस पहन के घूमते रहते हैं, like
Kamran.
Sai something.
Yeah.
Saeed Zahoor.
No, it wasn't Sai
the
Zahoor.
Baloch performers.
Yep.
Okay, that's.
They were really good, and then
Dresses
somehow
पहन के घूमते हैं.
पता नहीं, they had planned this thing in advance कि अपने वो live गानों के अलावा they like said कि किसी की कोई फरमाइश है or something, and somebody requested a song like Afghan Jalebi. Okay.
What?
So, you know, have you heard the song Afghan Jalebi?
Yeah. Bollywood Chijora.
So they said, okay. So they covered Afghan Jalebi, and it was all lip synced. It was all recorded.
But they pretended as if it was live and.
Yeah. That was really weird. और फिर उसके बाद आ गई Komal Rizvi.
Wow.
And no, we were excited about that. Komal Rizvi, like,
Yeah, Komal Rizvi is a big deal.
She is a big deal. Like, हम बचपन से देख रहे हैं यार. बचपन ही हो गया वैसे. Yeah. और she was really cool. She started singing और पहले 10 seconds. अच्छा, so at this point I was very tired in the Mehndi, right? तो जब ये शुरू हुआ, you don't have to take photos of the performance throughout. वो तो तस्वीरों में गाना तो नहीं सुनाई देगा. तो
टेक्निकली अगर आप सोचें इस बारे में, ये थोड़ी नाजुक बात है, लेकिन आप गौर करें इस पे, बारीकियों में
समझने वाली बात है. तो मैं away from the performance उधर मुंह करके बैठ गया था ना, and I was just like going through my phone, probably talking to you guys. Yeah, जो और so I can just hear Komal Rizvi, and I don't remember वो कौन सा गाना गा रही थी. It was not Bauji. She did not sing Bauji, which is strange.
I think she's trying to leave that behind.
Yeah.
Did she sing Desanda Raja?
She did sing Desanda Raja.
Yeah, that's a good song.
It was nice. So समझो वो यही गा रही थी, and she goes like अच्छा. तो मैं सुन रहा हूँ. अच्छा, so मैं सुन रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा ओ बेचारी बूढ़ी हो गई ना. She couldn't reach that, वो octave पे पहुंच नहीं सकी ना. Yeah, full technical ना. I'm like, बेचारी, she missed that note. और उसके 2 सेकंड बाद के बाद she's like, ऐसे तो फिर होता ही है, हंसने लगी. And she continued the song. मैं उठ के गया, फिर पता चला, सबने बताया वो बेचारी, while she was doing the she fucking tripped on the stage, face flat on the ground, and that was the cheek, बेचारी. So I think everybody got it on video वगैरह, but शायद वो
चलो she played it off. ये तो होता ही है सब. Madonna, Lady Gaga, Madonna तो बड़ा गंदा गिरी है कई दफा. Again, Dave Grohl fell off the stage, down to the
broke his fucking leg and continued the concert. Yeah.
But yeah, okay, chalo. But she did well.
She was really, really nice, and she kept saying ke stage pe, I'm sorry, I can't hug you guys, can't hug the bride and groom because COVID scene and social distancing. Look at us. Bro. कोई सीन नहीं है यहाँ. तो yeah, it was a fun night.
Khana?
Yeah, we couldn't eat.
Okay.
Like, it was such a busy event, and there was a lot of food that I saw, but it wasn't typical Karachi food actually, जो कि शादियों पे होता है mostly, which like the highlight is the biryani, and then you have grills and seafood वगैरह. They had like a nihari kind of thing, and और कोई पुलाव टाइप था, और पता नहीं. I could only grab like malpua. Sarkhel, do you know what malpua is?
I have no idea what malpua is.
Oh, wow, even Ali doesn't know. Wow. कैसे खाक कराची के हैं? अच्छा. तो
हम शहर में रहते हैं.
It's like a desi pancake. It's like पतले desi मीठे pancakes.
ये हम खानदानी लोग जो है ना, हमें नहीं पता होती हैं इस चीजें.
Oh my.
Sounds wrong.
Malpua.
Malpua.
French Malbari. अच्छा.
I just
We?
We know. We know.
you know. I just grabbed 2-3 malpue.
Oh, अच्छा. The plural of Malpua obviously is
Malpuat.
Malpuat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it. I don't know. We've been scared from that day कि पता नहीं क्या होगा. अभी हमने travel करना है 2 हफ्ते बाद. That's
एक दफा test करवा लो just for
COVID test.
Yeah, how
यार,
long has it
कराएंगे.
been? How long has it been since the event?
That was on the 16th. Today is the 19th. Like 3 दिन हुए.
I think कल परसों, if because you also need to wait like 3 to 5 days
14
after
days,
exposure for the test to even work. उसमें भी फिर chances होते हैं because people are like हमारे यहाँ someone was saying कि हमारे यहाँ जो COVID test होते हैं उसमें actual detection की rate भी कोई 60% ही होती है. So there is like a significant chance
समझो मैं वैसे ही करा लूं जाके और पॉजिटिव आता है तो उसके बाद क्या लाइक मैंने कुछ कर तो नहीं लेना ना लाइक आई कैन
You have to stay home. Just avoid people. That's all.
हाँ मतलब वो तो
I mean, that's your responsibility. No one's gonna check on you. That's,
exactly. That's the thing, right?
Yeah, no one's gonna check on you. Yeah.
Like अभी जैसे हम लाहौर आ गए हैं, so I'm staying away from my mom and dad. We both are. Like we met them दूर से like Assalamualaikum, and you know we're not going to their room वगैरह. At least for the next few days. So let's see.
Hopefully simps.
क्योंकि यार in the end like how much can you protect yourself? I don't know. We've double masked up. We were sanitizing every few minutes throughout. Sprays मार रहे हैं, hand sanitizer.
Yeah. The
अब
sanitizer,
क्या कर सकते हैं?
तुम्हारी मजबूरी से ये भी है ना कि your job is not like a work from home thing. वरना the
It's
ideal
not.
situation is जो मैं जेल में जिसमें बंद हूँ, I just it's weird now. I can't go out. Like when I go out, I start to get like anxious. But
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
But वो है कि the thing because hands are important to sanitize because you might touch your eyes वगैरह. So if that is can also be a vector. आँखों में ना अगर liquid you know वो लग जाए तो
exactly. और
yeah,
like mask भी considering during a busy work day, we're wearing a mask for like 8 hours. और उस दौरान कभी ना कभी आप बीच में आपको उतारना होता है यार like you take it off, you like you try to wipe off your face. You can't just be masked throughout for hours and hours. I do take it off kabhi for 30 seconds like कोई आंखें साफ की कुछ I don't know man like अभी तक तो हम बचे हुए हैं. We have covered busy weddings even during lockdown जब हो रही थी illegal weddings and
for legal purposes this is a joke. But
hey guys, I'm really sad to hear about that. But you guys want to see my vaccination scarf?
Oh yes.
कुछ पता नहीं अभी मैंड्रिन बोलना शुरू हो जाए. I was speaking to the Chinese colleague of mine, ex-colleague of mine, and she was asking अच्छा वैक्सीन आ गई है. वो मैंने कहा हाँ चाइना वाली भी आई हुई है. वो मेरे दोस्त ने लगवाई है. कह रही अच्छा हाँ heard you know rumors. मैंने कहा क्या मतलब? Her mom's a doctor, her dad's in the government. What rumors? Yeah. But she was talking about the Pfizer wali. वो UK में कुछ लोगों को reaction हो गया था उससे. But
Oxford का भी I think यही scene है. Even though Oxford is a traditional vaccine compared to Pfizer and Moderna.
Yeah.
उसका भी bad scene है.
जो UK वाले लोग थे, there were 2 people who were like severely allergic. You know the kind who have to carry like the pen everywhere. White people issue. और उनको हो गया था but उन्होंने फिर पेन में लगा दिया and then they were
bro what is this new strain of virus thing in London and Southeast?
It's also in Pakistan. It's also in Pakistan by the way.
Wow, thank you.
No, I'm saying it has mutated. It has mutated.
There's multiple types. Italy वाले का लोग कहते थे कि is not the same as the one in China way back. Because they were like oh इसमें तो इतने सारे लोग मर रहे हैं but China में तो you know इतने लोग तो नहीं मरे even though their numbers were much higher. So there are a few forms. थोड़ी mutation हो जाती है when it travels from person to person. That is also why it is possible to get reinfected after you've gone through one batch. जैसे flu में होता है ना, you can get the flu every year, even though your body is immune because the flu changes. But the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, because all of these viruses, COVID wale, they come in the same way. They
Yeah.
might be different, but their mode of entry is the same. So these vaccines attack the mode of entry. So
Okay.
theoretically,
So
if
that's
it mutates,
promising.
even if it mutates, you'll be good.
Have either of
theoretically.
you ever gotten a flu vaccine?
I've
Yeah.
never gotten to this.
I got
I've
one when
never
I
gotten a
went.
flu
I mean, February. I got it this year when I went for Umrah.
Okay.
So before
Okay.
you get for Umrah, they ask you to take the flu vaccine.
Yeah,
Okay.
makes sense because usme to phir, that's why there's a flu vaccine every year, because every year the virus changes. But we understand how the flu works. Right, magical issue. Anyway, guys, Nader had this idea of talking about personal achievement. I think we've achieved fucking nothing.
A call.
It's been a pretty fucked up year, but
Bro, we've survived. मतलब
Yeah.
medically के अलावा, I guess, like कुछ महीनों पहले के podcast पे, I was really down and dejected financially, and
Oh, yeah.
I think
yeah,
we've
against all odds.
kind of recovered. Let's see.
Thanks God
पता
for
नहीं.
Pakistanis. But
Yeah.
yeah, bro, we've been doing this shit for a full year now. I think our
Yeah,
first
man.
one was Chalo with Irfan Janeja in November last year. But
Yeah.
I think we did Pod 49. That was year end 2019. And now we're at 89. So that's 40 episodes in a year. Oh,
Wow,
my
man.
God. खैर
That
सरखेल
is
ने घर बदल लिया,
nice.
रिजवान ने कमरा रेनोवेट कर लिया, मैंने भी घर बदल लिया, and yeah, that's it. Nothing else.
यार अब मुझे बाथरूम बनाना है यार.
Oh, अच्छा, like renovate. I
हाँ,
have to make a
yeah.
bathroom हाथों से. Like those guys on the वो जो होते हैं ना YouTube channels, those गरीब like village में.
Oh my
People
god.
making those
Bamboo sticks. Yeah,
Okay.
man, because yeah, it's a very old bathroom now, and yeah, that needs
The one in
renovation.
your room?
Yeah.
I think we should look at those questions also.
Let's go to the questions. Yeah, exciting. Yeah.
Didn't get too many, but
यार एक सेकंड अली. यार सरखेल वापस सर नीचे करो. जैसे था. नहीं और नीचे.
No, what's wrong?
यार
there's a dick on
बस यार कितना मजे का full head of hair है यार. It's so nice.
Ivan हाथ ऊपर, हाँ.
Again, what I lack here, I make up for here. Hair.
Hair. भाई साद खलील
Audience questions.
हाँ. साद खलील ने मुश्किल सवाल पूछ लिए हैं. I don't know why. How to define success? Does it vary from person to person? Why are you
Yes,
asking
of
us, bro?
course.
But चलो, okay.
Bro.
Okay, दिया हमने जवाब. बताएं रिजवान.
Yeah.
No, Sarkhel,
Yeah,
how do you define success?
हाँ चलो.
Sarkhel.
Yes, Sarkhel.
Yeah, देखो, if you want something and you get it, it's success.
Nice.
For me, that's what it is.
You want
That
to
is-
get
Yeah, for some people, it's like, getting recognition for doing something at work, or family say approval milna, jo kabhi nahi milti, by the way. And but for other people, it's just like, yaar, PS5 le liya maine is saal. For me, that was my success, and that's it.
Yeah. Nahin, that is true. I agree. Like success varies from person to person.
Will I feel
yeah.
successful? I don't think so.
Yeah, how what
Do
would
you
need to
feel? Do
happen-
you guys feel successful? Do you guys feel successful?
अभी आपकी बारी खत्म नहीं हुई. What
अच्छा,
would
नहीं,
need
नहीं,
to
अब-
happen in your life for you to feel successful?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I feel like
मुश्किल सवाल. साद खलील ने ना ये what are you putting a vibrator in your forehead?
no, it's a bait.
Oh god. Live on air खुदकुशी.
Oh, God.
Here's the thing. Yeah, here's the thing. Hey.
अच्छा, fuck off. Rizwan, what would need to happen for you to feel successful?
Yeah, I feel like success in itself is a very vague term. Like there are many aspects where you go for success. Matlab, you can be I can be a successful professional photographer, maybe, which I feel I am. Like both Palvasha and we have done itna over the last few years that I think we are successful photographers. Now we've set up a small business and Baki, am I a successful guitar player? No, I'm not. I've been learning for years, but मुझे उतना ही आता है जितना मुझे 15 साल पहले आता था. So, which was very embarrassing when I tried jamming with Nadir 10 days ago.
Oh, you did?
Because because I didn't know anything about guitar theory, and Nadir was like, "Oh yeah, A7 baja." Okay. Because I've only learned Kaan se hamesha se, so I had no idea what I'm playing. Or so if you ask my family if I'm successful or not, they would have something else to say. They wanted me hamesha se to become a doctor or
really
career path. Yes.
Wow.
It's very unlike me. So
is there any TV show where a doctor becomes a murderer? Because I think that's what would have happened here. I think it's a good show. Like,
I mean, Dexter was a forensic scientist.
I think Jack the Ripper के बारे में कहते हैं कि he was like a surgeon or something.
Yeah.
He was allegedly so good. But
wait,
काफी bad scene होना था.
Speaking of success, I think I will feel successful if I'm not worried anymore about losing it all.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
A successful person, even after he loses it, he has something to fall back on.
Yeah,
he doesn't have to worry about the next step, getting more.
Yeah.
But do you guys also think that success is not a permanent state and it's temporary as your life goals keep changing every few years, and then you're trying to strive for those goals and achieve more?
But that also comes with privilege, right? Like the fact that you can keep achieving new goals is a privilege.
वो goal कुछ भी हो सकता है. Like it can be कि यार मुझे I don't know, इस साल कोई साइकिल खरीदनी है and खरीद लो.
घटिया गरीबों वाले goals. ख्वाब भी छोटे. But no, I think what Sarkhail is saying is maybe the best way, like freedom from parishani. That would be the ultimate.
Yeah.
I'm not successful at all.
But the sawal was, how would you feel? What would have to happen for you to feel successful?
Yeah, no parishan. Like anxiety of the future probably is one thing. Yeah.
Yeah. That I don't know how that goes away. But khair, hope that train of thought answers.
That goes away by saying mashallah, alhamdulillah, inshallah. Keep saying these three things. Allah khair, inshallah.
Inshallah. Ali ne dodge kar diya question वैसे.
The Sarkhail said what I was going to say. तो इत्तेफाकन मैंने catch कर लिया. Syed Ikrash Ahmad. Oh, this is the guy whose name we made fun of, and then he told us what his name meant. हम भूल गए, sorry. But he told us it's not a weird name. He's like TPR के plans 2021 के लिए. बस यार, like I said, we'll take over the restaurant in Islamabad. पहली बात.
It's a dhaba, but okay.
It's a dhaba. It's not even a restaurant.
It was a very tiny stall, but now it's a bigger stall, like 2-3 stalls put together.
Capital S. Capital S वाला stall. अच्छा, इतने अरसे से I thought it was like a place. Like,
I mean, I haven't been there in a while. It could probably have.
building हो गया पूरी. TRP Association LLC.
TRP Road.
Yeah.
It's like puri road.
Yeah, I mean, we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing, I guess. I think we have a good rhythm ab jaake, and
Until one of us gets cancelled.
Yeah.
वो क्यों होगा? We're good people, like
उससे क्या होता है? They're coming for you. But yeah, no, I think we'll find some more cool people to talk to. People really liked the Ahmad Wali episode, which is good. That's one of the episodes where I realized कि मैं चुप ही रहूं तो बेहतर है, क्योंकि I didn't know what to say. And there are some podcasts where the host feels compelled, theoretically compelled to jump in पता हो ना पता हो. So, but I was pretty aware Hammer wali situation mein kya acha chalo he's gonna talk.
Yeah.
I should just let
Yeah.
him talk. I think we'll follow up on that thread. I think that episode was good as a base, and we might talk to some musicians, big time names. जिनसे मैंने पूछा नहीं है, लेकिन
Ali Azmat आ रहे हैं next.
Bro, I would love to have Ali Azmat on. Ali Azmat would be an amazing guest. I don't know
Yeah.
if I can handle him, but but he would be amazing.
This is only possible if Rizwan can do it. But
Yeah. Rizwan, you have an actual direct connection to Ali Azmat. तुम पहुंचो कहोगे प्लम्बिंग ठीक करनी है इस बहाने घर में घुस जाओ बस माइक शाइक लेके अरे भाई बैठे तो जरा
भाई ये पाइप लाया हूं
ऐप yeah.
सेंसर करना बहुत मुश्किल होगा उस एपिसोड को.
Yeah.
Have we ever been censoring ourselves or
Some people got in touch because कभी कभार मैं कर देता हूँ सेंसर and they're like यार पहले 4 फक तो तुमने कर दिए फिर ये बीच में हटा दिया. मैंने कहा मैं थोड़ा फेवर दे दूं मैं.
I feel we don't swear a lot anymore. Like
No.
we've
Ever
grown
since
as
we've
people
come
now.
on,
Yeah.
Ever since we've come on YouTube, हमने काफी clean up कर लिया.
Also, शुरू में I think we were a lot more maybe like a little bit more nervous and anxious on camera. Maybe that's why we were swearing a lot more.
अबे मेरा कौन सा nervous?
अब mellow हो गए.
नहीं. We didn't. जब से हम YouTube पे आए, I think we were very aware कि वो video का थोड़ा scene on होता है. Like पहले तो no one knew what I looked like, and I'm sure they were happy. But but yeah, जब से वो आया, it's changed. Sahel तो initially Sahel didn't want to do it at all because he was like camera पे कैसे मैं बहुत nervous हूँगा मैं यार ये वो. And then with the शुरू की episodes में it was fucking change of pace in his house with his camera. So yeah. Okay, that's the plan. I have some ideas for some people. I'll tell you guys, I'll censor it.
Sorry, for 2021, can we please crowdsource a light for Rizwan?
Yeah, मैं खरीदूँगा.
That would be
I'll
very
send
nice.
it.
No, Rizwan, ये
when is your next
top
birthday?
left पे मुझे नहीं चाहिए तेरी सूरज की,
Rizwan, इस साल तो तुम्हारी बर्थडे सितंबर में थी, अगली साल कब है?
नहीं यार मैं देखता हूँ कोई
have a light
light
like in front of your face slightly to the right because अभी this position is fine but अभी ना तुम्हारा ये salutes or raffle salutes.
Bro, moody.
Okay. अच्छी बात है. The hoodie is white. But anyway, the guests who I will censor when I edit this, I'm thinking, yeah, Ali Azmat would be a really fun guy. I don't know if he does these things at all. Baki, YouTube. Oh yeah, abhi this episode is going out like a week from when we're recording. It's the 19th today. इस मंडे को तो वो आ रही है 2 घंटे वाली episode, ultimate YouTube panel, which by the time you see this is out already. Yeah, that was a good episode.
I'm not watching.
So by the time this comes out, Merry Christmas, guys.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. This episode comes
Christmas time, Loki Kende.
Ho, hi ho.
Comes out on the 28th. Yeah, this episode. So yeah.
A few moments later.
And they're all like, "कहाँ का visa आ गया sir? Dubai."
Sir, you make them call you sir. Wow, Rizwan, I can't.
No, these were not my team members. They were other photography team.
Who cares? Who the hell? Rizwan?
Doesn't matter.
Wow, I mean.
By the way, don't post about the visa on Twitter. कि कई लोग हैं जो कहते हैं दुबई क्यों जा रहे हो यार? तुम शर्म आती है शर्म?
हाँ मतलब ये भी कोई जगह है जाने वाली.
कोई जगह है.
सबको अमेरिका जाना चाहिए यार मतलब.
how चीचा वतनी जैसी शक्लें हैं लोगों की.
Exactly. ये जो एडवाइस देने वाले लोग होते हैं ना, मुझे लगता है इस पे हमने कुछ 1-1.5 साल पहले भी बात की थी. Like how when Palwasha was very new as a photographer in Karachi, and she had to fund her own transport to get to weddings. उस time Kareem Uber वगैरह नहीं था, many years ago, right? Yeah. So she would be calling वो metro cab, airport wali metro cab, and that is pretty expensive. Like that's 1200 1400 per side, and then the same. So a few photographers who would meet her. It's like, यार तुम गाड़ी क्यों नहीं ले लेती? मतलब
तो इसमें गलती है ना पलविशा की. Why wasn't she buying
exactly.
a car?
Yeah,
A
मतलब
whole ass car.
यार मतलब एक गाड़ी ले लो, फिर एक ड्राइवर होगा तो वो आराम से आपका वेट भी कर लिया
अच्छा
करेगा
ड्राइवर भी होगा. अच्छा.
Yeah, like
Wow.
dumb.
Why don't you running शुरू कर दो ना. तो
हाँ,
भाग के-
मतलब-
अब भाग के आ जाएगा.
like during this year, during lockdown or शादियां cancel, and I was getting ऐसे tips and advice वाली बातें from people. यार मतलब
अच्छा देखो इसमें तुम्हारी गलती है कि तुम ट्विटर पे एडवाइस क्राउड सोर्स करते हो, ठीक है?
like real life में असल में लोग मिल रहे हैं, यार ऐसा करो, फैशन इंडस्ट्री में काम शुरू कर लो. हाँ मतलब they are waiting for me, right? मतलब रिजवान कब आएगा और हेलो नादिर.
Nice. नादिर लग रहा है शैडो से लग रहा है कि you're wearing a turtleneck. But
I think he is.
He is, I think.
no,
अच्छा
No,
नहीं, he's
he's
not. He's not. Yeah.
It's a kurta. I can't hear what you're
Nice.
saying.
Mic is muted.
Yeah, mic is not working.
Mic is muted.
Yeah.
इंडस्ट्री के लोग हरकतें ऐसी करते हैं.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I was saying I plugged his album on Twitter in a very nice way because India got all out on 36 and memes started rolling in. So Spotify की link direct Twitter पे share इन्हें.
What was the what did you share?
Just the
36.
Spotify album.
Oh,
like,
it's 36. Okay.
Yeah.
what were you nodding your head at if you didn't fucking know?
I was like अभी आएगी context.
मुझे शायद
हाँ,
क्या?
maybe hate listens.
नहीं.
But हाँ वो Zuhair was here today. He was saying कि कल पाकिस्तान 35 पे 5 आउट थे, इंडियंस हमारे ले रहे थे, बट फिर हमने फाइट किया वगैरह और आज वो सारे ऑल आउट हो गए. Good यार, good. Now that I saw Wonder
Karma.
Woman. Oh.
Karma.
Now that I saw Wonder Woman,
how was it?
it's all right. Decent, very long. It's 2.5 hours. It could have easily been like puri
Yeah.
movie mein for like a quarter of the movie is when she is Wonder Woman. Baki mein she's just like normal Diana Prince, udhar detective pana. Oh, there's a few nice things.
Does
I don't know.
she look hot though?
No, but I'm not a fan of Gal Gadot, but in some areas she looked like more human because jab kot lagti hai na uski, तो उसमें she was like oh अच्छा, because otherwise तो she's like perfect makeup, perfect hair.
Bro, fan बन जाओ अभी तो हमारे home country.
I know
पे
why
accept-
Rizwan is saying this.
What?
I know why Rizwan asked के क्या scene है, and I know why Ali said के नहीं, I don't find her attractive.
Right? Like it or
हमें
not,
भी
so
बता
let's
दो.
find out.
Let's face it, मतलब कि सिरखेल भी smile कर रहा है, he knows exactly why. मतलब let's
Why?
elephant
चलो
in the room को
don't
हम,
tell us.
you know.
Okay, that's fine.
नहीं bro, दो तीन reasons हैं, हम सब जानते हैं.
Okay.
एक तो obviously since we're all Pakistani, you know,
कॉल खत्म हो जाती कितना अच्छा होता.
वो इजरायली है.
हाँ.
वो एक सीन है. उसके अलावा मतलब कि वो जो सारे बॉयज को मसला होता है उससे
क्या है?
कि उस
Oh. I'm sorry you didn't get to hear what he said because मैंने censor कर दिया था. सारे
नहीं, bro,
boys को मसला होता है.
please don't censor this, bro. No, this has to this.
No, I
Bro,
think
ये
she's very.
सारे लोगों ने लाइक उसने आके टॉक शोज पे भी बोलते हैं ये कि ब्रो ये वो खुद बोलती है कि देखो लॉट पीपल से कि मेरे जगुलर्स इतने अच्छे नहीं हैं
Killers.
तो सारे बैकलैश आती है.
Bro, backlash तो बड़े होने से आती है. खैर.
सर ये तो फ्रंट लैश हुआ ना फिर.
हाँ. नहीं, I'm not a fan of, apart from the very valid reasons जो कि नादर ने present किए हैं after a 45-minute suspenseful break. वो यार उस बेचारी को एक्टिंग नहीं आती और वो I think वो सीख ही नहीं सकती एक्टिंग. It's not possible. She
यार
cannot learn.
इसमें एक्टिंग करनी क्या है?
यार कटरीना कैफ सीख सकती है तो वो भी सीख सकती
Katrina Kaif learned
True,
how to dance, and then she went like too far. Now she
And
dances too much, and
Yeah, like
matlab,
है. Yeah.
yeah. And you know, so Gal Gadot can also. People get better. Remember when Aishwarya Rai joined Bollywood? She didn't know how to act for shit, but after a while,
Yeah.
she was like the best actress. Or
और मतलब
ये जो सकेल ने कहा था ना, until one of us gets cancelled, अभी बात हुई थी इस बारे में, इसलिए मैंने ये सब काट दिया है. And you
यार
know,
देखो, this is all just locker room talk, okay bro?
वो
Like, you know.
हम लॉक हो जाएंगे.
नहीं लॉकर रूम में नहीं ब्रो, ये तो खुली बात है. ये टीवी शोज में आता है. वो उसके
How was your
सारे
dinner?
उनके इंटरव्यूज में यही बात होती है.
सारे
यार अच्छी
सा-
पिज्जा
सारे-
मिला मुझे, पास्ता मिला.
हाँ.
मैं
अच्छा.
तुम्हें लिंक्स भेज सकता हूँ.
No,
तुम
no,
वो लिंक इसमें डालना. सही है.
Okay. चलो.
In Nadir's defense, I know what he's talking about, but okay.
हाँ, I think वो कौन दूसरे वाले जिमी, not Fallon.
Conan
दूसरे वाले
with
Jimmy
with
पे-
I think.
Kimmel.
Kimmel.
Jimmy
Kimmel.
Conan.
Kimmel पे.
Kimmel.
No, Kimmel पे था bro. बल्कि you know what, fuck all this. मैंने एक YouTube वीडियो देखी थी जिसका नाम था कि Gal Gadot talks about her breasts for 2 minutes straight. और वो बस वही complain कर रही है कि people think that I don't have big enough. Badonks.
All right. I think this is more important to me than the Palestine issue. Personally speaking.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck off, matlab. What the fuck? No. None
I'm
of
getting
this.
cancelled.
Yeah. None of this.
नहीं,
उसको
but I'm not
acting नहीं
important enough. खैर.
Yeah, तो तेरी तो खैर है. ये रिजवान कैंसिल हो जाएगा. रिजवान भाई जो है ना ये.
हाँ रिजवान, हाँ
नहीं,
यार इसकी शादी 20,000 रुपए में हुई थी.
We've now come to the तरस वाला phase. बेचारा यार 20,000 में शादी की थी इसकी.
दोबारा कैसे करूंगा यार?
Where did you go for dinner?
उसका भी रिकॉर्ड बनाना शुरू कर दो.
Where did you go for dinner?
यार मैं एक दोस्त के घर गया था, वो बर्थडे थी उसकी, और
Oh, okay.
उसने बस पिज्जा, अपर क्रस्ट पिज्जा जो हमने भी खाया था साथ में,
Yeah, it was good.
और
Decent pizza.
उन्होंने पास्ता भी दिया, और आई थिंक देयर वाज सम कुकीज एंड hummus as well. We didn't have it together. but
Cookies,
we had,
hummus,
hummus as a
What will
starter.
hummus go with out of all of this?
Not
There
the
was
pizza,
bread.
not the cookies.
Bread, there was bread, and
Acha.
there was
It's a
also
weird
ice cream for the cookies,
Mm.
by the way.
weird side. माहौल में नहीं आती है. Invasion जो है ना. Yeah.
Occupation.
Bro, I've been getting these sponsored tweets on my timeline about how you should invest in the hummus industry now. Yeah.
Bro, ये Gal
वही है.
Gadot के लोग कर रहे हैं.
वही है. ये वही
वही
है
है.
जो there was this Jewish guy who was here, and we went like office में आया था हमारे, and we went for dinner. UI के
उससे हाथ तो नहीं मिलाया तुमने?
हटाया उसे.
उल्टा से.
उल्टा हाथ मिलाया मैंने. खैर, so he was talking to his parents. He was South African Jewish.
Wow.
अच्छा, apartheid and both sides से.
खैर,
Peri.
he was talking to his parents and telling them about the dinner we had, and bro, to full khake hai, the hummus, there was hummus there. उल्टी आ गई मैं थोड़ी सी. ये क्या खा लिया मैंने? But what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Very apartheid. Khair. Thanks for coming, Nadir. I'm the Matana. आते साथ ही.
Let's see, you do get hummus at Nando's.
Yeah, now you do.
Pakistan.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
you've always gotten peri. अरे ये वही assholes तो
It's
वही तो नहीं
you
लाए.
can-
Because Nando's is South African, right?
It is,
Yeah,
yeah.
South African, but it is also
South African.
Portuguese cuisine.
South African.
Yeah. I hate South African accent. I can't help it. I
South
just-
African.
I
नहीं, but थोड़ा सा New Zealand South African mix होता
हाँ,
है ना?
हाँ.
Like
देखो,
they have
they're-
almost similar accents.
Yeah, they're
काफी
very
crossbreeding
close,
है.
but I find the New Zealand one much more, maybe because of Taika and वो flight वगैरह.
It's still a little more Australian, isn't it? The New Zealand one.
Yeah, but
That's why bearable.
South yaw जो होता है ना वो yaw. No, I cannot tolerate.
Alwasha.
Bro, सबके सामने क्या हो गया? You want a
सिगरेट
straw?
मांगते हैं अपन
अच्छा।
ये सिगरेट मांगते हैं यार ये अपन बोलने से याद आया
हाँ.
लाइक अ टाइनी स्टोरी
Oh no.
कुछ देर पहले लाइक पता नहीं पिछले साल मैं और पलवशा किसी होटल में थे कहीं
कुछ देर पहले पिछले 10 मिनट 15 मिनट एक साल पहले.
हाँ so there was some random Lollywood movie अच्छा on TV और हम देख रहे थे as you do in a hotel बस जो
Yeah.
लगा हुआ है और so उसमें मोमी राणा था ना मोहम्मद राणा and for some reason Mohammad Rana was a desi gunda like in probably Lahore or something and he was talking with Apun and all of that अच्छा और you know how Indian gangsters do ना Apun तेरे को छोड़ेगा नहीं
मुंबई वाले.
हाँ मुंबई वाले but the thing is it's Mohammad Rana और तुम जितनी भी कोशिश करो उसका पंजाब तो जाएगा नहीं so throughout the movie he was like अपुन तेरे को छोड़ेगा नहीं
यार
अपुन आज तेरा खून पी जाएगा
कितना चढ़े हो? Check out Middle Class Usman Rafiq. It's a very fun YouTube channel. It's actual middle class
oh
person.
it's that little kid है ना
Yeah. This other guy recently exploded. By the way, Momin Khan this week. This is obviously going to be 2 weeks later. But Irfan Junaid.
मर गया या बच गया
He made a vlog. Bechara. He's fine. I think he's from Karachi. He lives maybe in Bahria town. He made a vlog about getting roller skates, and it was like a really like interestingly edited vlog. Vlog तो कुछ नहीं था. मैं गया दुकान में roller skate लिए मैं वापस आ गया. The edits were so intense and so insane.
Wow.
Irfan Junaid shared it, and he went from like 1,000 followers on Instagram to 20,000 in like 2 days.
what wow
Because Irfan
but then
Junaid
again
shared-
नहीं also because his content was good
Of
right?
course.
Like इरफान जुनेजो तो हमें भी शेयर कर चुका है
yeah, but it's like vlogs. He made काफी ऐसे से बना रहा है, and they are good. But it started like this chain because Irfan shared it, and he's like, "देखो, you don't need a good camera. I think वो अपने phone से बनाता है." Edits बहुत insane.
nice
And then everyone just started like fucking Raza Samo, Muru, Amir Bhagat, ye wo tak sab karte rahe, and like for one day all of his story posts were super famous Pakistani YouTubers sharing his wo Hamza Ibrahim
Wow.
ye wo. But yeah, he's gone.
Nice.
I think his YouTube followers went from like
2 million
600 to like 6,000 or something. ऐसा कुछ हो गया था in like 2-3
Nice.
days. So yeah, can't wait for him to burn out as well, which is
oh fuck
which
Can't wait for TPR to milk him as well.
yeah.
oh.
बात हो चुकी है. But he's a kid. He's very young. He's 9th में होगा शायद. I don't know. But yeah, good talent, good fun guy. Check करें आप भी जाके Momin Khan vlogs or something. And I think that's it. We're good. End of the year. I don't have anything else to say. कोई message? Nader, आप कोई closing message देना चाहेंगे for 2020 TPR Chalagan Crew Hangouts? Thank you everyone for watching. I never say this, but like and subscribe to everything. Share, sub kare. I never say this because I
Yeah,
forget.
man. Like
Because I don't want you to do this. मुझे कभी याद नहीं रहता. So
we're good people, man. We
send us
yeah.
money. I think पैसे भेज दो.
Send us money. Send us suggestions of like. Acha, एक minute. Don't just suggest up इसको show पे ले. Hook us up.
Yeah.
You know, like
Go
yeah.
to Imran Khan's house. Tell him. अब देखिए Rizwan.
We love Imran Khan.
Yeah. This is a place of love. Imitation
Yeah,
best
yeah.
form of flats. Yeah. Or not.
Flat की
another,
बात तो हम कर ही चुके हैं.
Yeah, sorry, I just want to give a recommendation. Please go watch. Just
That's
Okay. Yeah, fine.
You came in late,
No,
so
you go
fucking
ahead.
wait your turn.
But you were late. You got born.
It is possible. Acha, yaar, go hate watch or like just watch Shoaib Akhtar's rant on the India thing
yeah,
because
I
the
saw
way
that.
he
Yeah.
talks is so फांटा लगा है. ओ ऐसा फांटा लगा है ना कि यार फांटा भी ऐसा लगा है कि
यार उसको यहाँ पंजाबी नहीं आती या ये सरखेल तुम और वो सारे पिंडी का एक ही सीन है क्या?
एक ही सीन है
मतलब लम्मा पा देना होता है लम्मा डाल दिया.
Yeah,
पागल हो?
he's like slipping in between Punjabi and Urdu.
Yeah.
Ji Nadir, any closing thoughts
No,
to send
I
us?
actually forgot. Honestly, forgot what I was wanting.
I'm so sorry, man.
Chalo.
I think it had something to do with, and oh yes, now I remember.
No.
So I remember. Shut up. So basically, scene क्या हुआ था कि जब मैं बहुत छोटा था तो मैंने इंटरव्यू देखा था एक बार अली अजमत का, and उससे पूछा गया था कि आप क्या यूथ को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, and now that I think about it, when I first heard it, I was like, bro, ये बंदा best आदमी है, मैं इसी की तरह बनूंगा when I grow up, right? And now that I think about it, it's the most like bland thing to say to anyone, like as a youth, and that in that interview he said, क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप? बस whatever you do, be yourself. And I was like, yeah, now that I'm older, like I would never say that. Like, be yourself. Because like most like log, at least Pakistan mein most log jo when they be themselves, like काफी sad होता है. And I think everyone took that seriously, and now
Kafi Ali Azmat has a lot to answer for. But Achanadar, what would your message be to the youth who are looking to us for guidance? So let's ask the most irregular attendee of the Chilad Crew Hangouts. आपको क्या मैसेज फिर आप देना चाहेंगे to the youth?
यार बस मैसेज ये है कि life is tough and बस work hard and बस
overall this was quite a disappointment.
और हाँ
चलो, wear a mask and coronavirus is real. सब अपना ख्याल रखें and we'll be back next year hopefully.
Oh wait, are you getting the vaccine by the way?
Goodbye, Khuda Hafiz. We're not going to talk. TPR Pod group account. Rizwan, wait, which is this? Rizwan Pahalwan, Sarkhail Salim Khan, and Nadir Shazad from 26 somewhere. The links are below. So again, ठीक है जी, होती है मुलाकात. खुदा हाफिज़, शुक्र रहेगा मंदिर.